Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would chat with you guys about this alley wig that I got from Hairvivi about 2 months back. It's been a while since I reviewed it, and I thought I'd share with you guys like how it's been holding up and all the things that you might want to know if you're thinking about purchasing one. So Hairvivi is that company that I recommend over and over again to people that are just getting started into wigs, because their wigs are just so natural and easy to use. And the lace that they use, it's called Invisible HD Swiss lace, and it just like disappears once you put the wig on. And because I've already cut the lace to my head shape, it's super easy to apply this wig on perfectly like every single time. It's a lot easier like once you cut the lace because it's already perfectly cut to your forehead. So I like to wash the lace on this wig a lot because I like to use the Gotta Be Glue hairspray to melt the lace like down to my forehead. And even though I've washed it a few times, there has been no tearing and it still feels brand new like once it's dried. So these wigs can last you for years and years if you do take care of them. So what I do to take care of them, like I just use normal Tresemme shampoo on the lace just to wash off that like extra residue that's left over by the hairspray, and it comes right off. And then I put my wig onto like a wig headstand to dry, and then by the morning it's ready to wear again. So one of the best things about this wig is you can actually part it like wherever you want, middle, side, zigzag, you name it. It's super versatile and it allows for different hairstyles. So if once you receive it, if you like your hairstyle to be a certain way, you can definitely do it however you please, because they do have a deeper parting now, and the space area is like super deep, which has been great for like times whenever I bend over, or if somebody's standing over me that can like see the top of my head, it looks like my own scalp all the way at the back of my head. So I don't need to wear a wig cap underneath the wig because it's built inside. This wig is 180% density. Despite the higher density, it doesn't get hot underneath the wig while wearing it, and it doesn't feel overly bulky or heavy when tucked behind the ear. I know that's a big thing for a lot of people. They want lower density because they want to be able to tuck it behind their ear, but you can definitely do this with this wig and it's still quite comfortable, and you can even put it up in an elastic with a good amount of a ponytail. This wig still looks super natural after all of this time because it is made out of 100% human hair, which just allows you to walk out in direct sunlight without worrying about the shine that you can sometimes get with synthetic wigs. This does not have that because it is human hair, so it's basically gonna act as if it's your own real hair. And because it's human hair, you can style this wig however you please with like heating tools. You can wash the wig and then blow dry it right after. And on the inside of the wig, I do want to mention they do have adjustable bands and they do have combs as well that just like secure the wig super good to your head so it doesn't go anywhere, making it like a glueless wig. But if you are currently going through like hair loss and you want to know if this wig is going to be suitable for you, you can definitely remove the combs on the inside, and the elastic band will just keep the wig securely on. So don't feel like this wig can't be for you because of the combs. Like it's still going to be glueless because of their adjustable band. It's going to secure the wig onto your head. So let's talk about the hairline. Whenever I first got the wig, the hairline was already designed to look super natural, and they pre-pluck the wig for you guys. So even after wearing it for 2 months, that pre-plucked hairline, I was wondering if it was gonna hold up, and it still does. Like I have a few of these wigs now and they all have held up very well. They still look the same as the day that I got it, so you could tell that they put extra effort into making sure that it stays that way. When getting higher density wigs though, you can style them, you get like that volume. So what I like to do with this wig specifically, because of all the layers that just like frame your face, I love to go in with a round brush hair dryer and create that perfect blowout that is going viral right now. I feel like everybody just wants a blowout. People going to prom, people going to like, it's a big thing right now and everybody wants a blowout. So this wig is definitely perfect for that style. It has volume, it has layers, it's just that perfect cut and perfect wig for a blowout look. So if you are thinking of investing into a good wig, you can never go wrong with this company. It is still to this day one of my favorite companies to work with. When you receive the wig, you just know that they work hard on making sure that the wig looks super realistic so that you don't have to. So if you guys want this wig, the links to this wig will be in the description box down below. I will leave my coupon code down there as well, so you guys can use that to get a little bit of money off. And I hope you guys enjoyed and you watched my full review of this wig right here, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.